So we made it here to this small chamber that resembles the Amazonian environment, where they preserve the animals that require a specific amount of humidity, temperature, and lighting conditions, not to mention trees. Polymatus icarus, or the blue butterfly, is an amazing creature. You can see it here, by the way. Can you see it? It's on the other side. Ah, it's gone. Do you see that? It's actually not blue in color, it's actually brown, but then all these nanostructures on the wings make it turn from brown to beautiful blue. Amazing, right? We humans are known to have a blue brain. It's not hot red, by the way. And the reason it's blue because we're somehow drawn to water all the time, whether it's clean or not clean. And the reason for that is that water provides hydration, it provides well-being, and somehow researchers are proving that sources of water are surrounded by negative ions everywhere, which we can inhale, and it can change the pH of our blood and somehow causes us to feel more relaxed. It's quite nice here, right? We made it to the waterfalls. Waterfalls have a specific purpose in nature. They purify the water, they allow nutrients to develop in a certain way to allow plants surrounding that water source to grow. And research nowadays is proving that waterfalls even release negative ions in the air that contribute to the well-being of animals and us human beings. The name succulents literally means water preserving. Cells in these creatures and these plants preserve water for an extended period of time. This type of succulent is spherical in shape. The sphere is a shape that allows it to preserve the largest amount of water for the longest time. The spikes surrounding it protect it from predators and animals, and the green bark allows it to use photosynthesis to create nutrients for it to eat. That's quite amazing if you think about it.
Dr. Yared, what are you doing?
Wait a minute. This fish is originally from the Amazon, and it's a huge fish, just like the sun in my face, that stays for the complete day almost in one specific place. Can you believe it? Fish are among the oldest known vertebrates, with some species dating back more than 500 million years. There are over 34,000 recognized species of fish, making them the most diverse group of vertebrates. Most fish breathe through gills, which contract oxygen from water. However, some species like lungfish and certain catfish can also breathe air. Jellyfish are fascinating creatures with unique characteristics that set them apart from all other marine life. Unlike many other sea creatures, jellyfish do not have a brain, instead relying on a simple nerve net to help them navigate their environment. Certain species of jellyfish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce light. They create beautiful displays in the ocean, particularly when disturbed, appearing as glowing orbs in the water. Crocodiles are one of the oldest creatures on this planet. Their jaws are incredibly powerful, and when they lose a tooth, they can regenerate it by themselves. Quite amazing. At the same time, these creatures are awesome parents, and they are great meditators because they can stay in one place for hours not moving. Peacocks are extraordinary beings. They display their beauty only when they want to, and only for a specific reason: to attract a mate or to scare someone off. Let's go. Peacock. This peacock could run if it wants to, but it's actually playing a game with me. I've played this game with it before, so I know what it's doing. It's slowly trying to draw me into places that are difficult for me to reach, to see who gives up first. And now that I stopped walking, it also stopped, because it doesn't want me to give up. It actually wants me to follow it. You might think that it's not seeing me, but it's actually looking at me from the sides. And any move I do is registered in its brain. It might be a small brain, but it's actually quite amazing.